Most people wake up like NPCs. When they finally roll out of bed, they scroll through a bunch of nonsense before even brushing their teeth. And then they wonder why their life is such a mess. If your morning is chaotic, then your life is chaotic, period. But if you start your morning the way I'm going to show you in this video, success isn't just possible, it's inevitable. So listen up, because the way you wake up determines everything. Step 1. The first battle is getting out of bed. Let's talk about the first boss fight of the day, getting up. If you hit snooze, you're not just getting 10 more minutes of sleep. You're training your brain to procrastinate. Try this instead, the 5-second rule. When the alarm goes off, give yourself 5 seconds and then get up. Don't think, don't negotiate, just go. This hacks your brain before it talks you out of progress. Step 2. Quick wins to build momentum. Most people wake up groggy and think that means they should stay in bed. But the truth is that motion creates energy. So get moving. Make your bed. Drink a glass of water. Do 10 push-ups. Take a freezing cold shower if you're brave. These tiny actions, they build momentum. Momentum builds confidence. And confidence? That builds your day. Step 3. Protect your brain from distractions. The first 30 minutes after waking, your brain is wide open. So if the first thing you feed it is TikTok drama or toxic news, guess what? You're starting the day with anxiety and chaos. Instead, try this. Journal for 5 minutes. Read something inspiring. Curate your inputs. Own your focus. Step 4. Dominate your first hour. Now that you're awake, alert, and focused, it's time to attack. Write down your top 1 to 3 goals for the day. Not 10, just what actually matters. Then go straight into deep work. The thing you've been avoiding, do that first. This is how you win before the world even wakes up. Look, mornings don't have to be perfect, but they do need to be intentional. Because if you win the morning, you win the day. And if you stack enough great days, you change your entire life. So here's your challenge. Starting tomorrow, change one thing. Don't just watch this and forget it. Take action. Even if it's just drinking that first glass of water or getting up 5 seconds after your alarm. And if this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more hard-hitting self-mastery content. And drop a comment. What part of your morning needs a glow-up? Let's build the life we're meant to live.